made the Revopoint Mini 2, an industrial-grade high-precision 3D scanner. His all-new design and powerful technology will transform how you scan small objects. Equipped with a 9-axis IMU and smart algorithms, Mini 2 eliminates faulty frames. Capture the tiniest details with Mini 2's industrial-grade structured blue light and create 3D models in seconds at up to 16 frames per second scanning speeds. Specially designed for capturing intricate surfaces, Mini 2's metrological-grade 0.02mm single-frame precision ensures each part is captured with flawless reliability. Its advanced depth cameras accurately capture complex parts with up to a 0.02mm fused point distance to generate ready-to-use 3D models. Capture complex parts with ease using the dual-axis turntable's adjustable tilt and speed to simplify the workflow. Upgraded connectivity makes setup and scanning effortless. Its Wi-Fi 6 connection lowers latency and increases stability for mobile scans. And a USB Type-C connection for plug-and-go scanning. With its intuitive UI and powerful tools, the multi-system compatible RevoScan 5 software makes scanning and editing models a breeze. Revopoint Mini 2 is here and ready to transform your projects.